kind of mini golf is that?
You're home away from home and get ready for what is going to be your vacation of a lifetime. But before all the fun can begin, safety located on decks 3, 4, and 5 on the forward at the Showtime Theater.
Right here. This one. Oh, let it go, let it go, let it go.
Well, there was only one egg.
I don't think that's how it works. Alright, this is the next one.
This is?
Gotta hit in that hole and it's gonna fall down to the next level.
Hold on, but I gotta know where the next level is.
Downstairs.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna bring back that.
It's all the way down there.
Very important announcement.
Hold up.
This song is called Blue.
Here. You hit it down.
Saturday morning.
Look, just watch it right here. Oh, you gotta push it down. It didn't go.